This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get echo blocks in Terraria. These unique building materials are completely invisible once placed, offering incredible possibilities for creative builders. Imagine crafting secret passages, hidden platforms, or even entire invisible structures. To see them, you'll need special equipment like an echo chamber or specter goggles. Let's dive into the steps to acquire these elusive blocks and transform your world with unseen architecture. To get your hands on echo blocks, you'll need to find the cyborg non-player character. He will move into your world after you have defeated the powerful boss, Plantera. Crucially, the cyborg must be housed within a graveyard biome for him to offer echo blocks for sale. Each individual echo block can be purchased from him for a modest price of 10 silver coins. Ensure you have a graveyard set up to access his special inventory. It's important to distinguish echo blocks from echo coding. While echo blocks are inherently invisible, echo coding is a separate item used to make existing blocks and walls invisible. You can purchase echo coding from the painter non-player character, provided he is also residing in a graveyard biome. Simply use a paintbrush to apply this coating to any block or wall, allowing for flexible and dynamic invisible designs without replacing your current structures. Once you've placed your invisible echo blocks or applied echo coating, you'll need a way to see them. The primary tool for this is the echo chamber. This useful device can be crafted at a heavy workbench. The recipe calls for 20 echo blocks, 6 pieces of wire, and 10 gray bricks. Alternatively, equipping specter goggles, also sold by the cyborg, will allow you to see all invisible blocks and coatings while worn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.